Everything that we do on a day-to-day basis uses something that is made out of some sort of materials. Have you ever wondered, who is the mastermind behind all these super helpful materials? The people who come up with new materials designed to specifically serve a purpose are called materials scientists. The goal of a materials scientist is to study substances at the atomic and molecular levels and analyze the way the substances interact with one another. They then use the knowledge from these studies to develop new and improved products and to test the quality of manufactured goods. A typical day as a materials scientist consists of emailing many people to learn about what needs to change in certain materials. They then might work alone or with a team in a lab and try to fix this problem and create a new material that works better for the job at hand. The field of materials science is a relatively new field, and it is very broad. Due to the broadness of the field, most people specialize in a technique or material type. The field has many subcategories, which lead to many different opportunities depending on your interests. Some of the many different categories range from industrial materials such as metals, ceramics, and rubber, to adhesive materials, textiles, and paints. Materials scientists get paid very well. The mean hourly wage is $48.83, and the mean annual wage is about $101,570. Depending on the state, the pay is different. In Minnesota, the average annual wage is on the high end, at $109,000 to $130,000 a year. Materials scientists spend most of their time indoors in a lab when they are working, which can be hard for some people. Many times, a lot of their work is done on a computer, which can also be hard for some people who do not like looking at a screen for a long time. Another drawback is that sometimes when working in a group, it can be hard when everybody has different ideas on how to solve a problem. The materials science field is made up of people of many different educational backgrounds and majors. There are currently 20 degree programs in the U.S. for materials science, but it is expected to grow. In Minnesota, you must have at least a high school diploma and a bachelor's degree in materials science or a similar field. However, in other states, you don't need to have a major in science, as long as you can demonstrate a general understanding of materials. The growth in the field of materials science is fairly low to average, at 7%. In Minnesota, those with a PhD are predicted to have much better opportunities than those without one in the field. I think that this career would be very fun and a very good fit for my personality and interests. I am very interested in how things are made and what they are made out of, and I think this would be a very good fitting career for my personality type. I would like to pursue this career after college. I would like to begin by doing the summer internship at Patagonia as a college student. This would help me gain experience and be more likely to get a job. There are many jobs similar to a materials scientist that I would also consider, if finding a job in this career proved to be difficult.